Hi there, artisans! Welcome back to this channel. This is Rochelle Rosenberg.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt it out, you don't condone it. Truth be told,
If you are new here to this channel, sit back and relax, and I'm gonna tell you some facts about this perfume project. It's such amazing to paint this, guys, and also to know what's behind this perfume. So I hope that you'll enjoy. Today we're gonna paint the Dkny perfume project, and this is our episode number 1. I'm so much excited to show you why I paint the perfumes, because I want to create these kinds of illusion from a glass whenever I paint. I know that the painting is a little bit of disaster because the bottle is not really accurate, but I want to tell you why I want this to paint, right? So in the start of this painting, I just wanted to do as usual, creating the lines, drawing it, and we're gonna do the process. So I'm gonna tell you that this is one of the expensive, golden, delicious $1,000,000 fragrance bottle, and this perfume is very enticing. And this record-breaking most expensive perfume was jointly created by renowned designer Dkny or Donna Karan New York in collaboration with noted jewelry designer Martin Katz. And if you don't know that designer, oh my goodness, you should try it, right? And if you check this bottle, all of this gold and the carats, rose cut diamond, they are so beautiful. I've never seen them in real. I just seen them in pictures, been going through the internet. Right, so the main reason for the exorbitant price is the one-of-a-kind bottle that contains 2.43 carat yellow canary diamond in the cap, that is the round, and 4.3 carat rose cut diamond, 3.7 carat oval cut ruby, and 1.6 carat Paraiba tourmaline from Brazil, 4 rose cut diamonds, and 15 stunning pink diamonds from Australia. Oh my goodness, this is a rich man's perfume. And 7.18 carat oval cabochon sapphire from Sri Lanka, 2,700 white diamonds, and 183 yellow sapphires. Oh my god, this is a wonderful perfume for all ladies out there. This is the bling bling, you know, this is the real bling bling. You can, I don't know if you can hang it around your neck, but probably I would try if I have this, but I can't buy it, and who can afford it? Only those who are rich. Anyway, each stone was carefully hand placed, and the entire manufacturing process took about 1,500 hours. But the hard work and diligence was worth it, as the end result is a stunning image of the New York City skyline. So this $1,000,000 perfume was created for a noble cause, as the sale proceeds were donated to the Action Against Hunger, a charity organization. And by the way, I'm not making some advertising for the organization. It's a good cause anyway. Alright, the painting is almost done actually. I just painted mostly the foreground and created all of the shadows that I actually have to paint. It took a while for me to actually adjust myself in painting this because I've never painted some kind of round shapes in watercolor. I usually paint in acrylic, so it's a little bit of challenging for me, and it's also challenging to paint bottles or glass in watercolor because you have to realize that in watercolor it's reversed in painting rather than the acrylic, because in acrylic you have to start with the blocking, you have to start with the dark tones, but in watercolor you have to start with the lighter tones and then you build them layer by layer. You paint them from the lightest to the darkest on the top. So at this point I'm trying to paint like objects that are in front of me or by pictures. And for this perfume project, I actually took this from the internet. So please don't tell them that I took the picture, or I didn't took the picture, but I just watch on the internet and then paint. Anyway, I wanted to try like these kinds of episodes to entertain you guys, and I just hope that you liked it. And probably shout out to the Dkny. I give credits to you. I enjoy the painting, and probably I will gonna be painting much more top perfumes that are very expensive in the world, and I'll be going to paint probably the rest of the expensive perfumes. We can just look at them, we can't buy them, so why not paint them instead, right? Anyway, if you are inspired in this painting, please like and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about painting, you can actually join me, and I'm gonna teach you the secrets of art, the fundamentals and the elements of art. Now I just want to thank you for being here, and I'm so much glad that you keep on watching until the end of the video. And I want to welcome you to my Facebook page. Follow me there, Rochelle Rosenberg Journal, and I hope to see you again on the next art. So God bless everyone.
Doubters overnight, and after them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, plan for intuition upon the stars of the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you send it a wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.